a sense, I'm thinking of Native students when I say the following, but it really applies, I think, to students from all sorts of different underrepresented backgrounds. We have a worldview that's really important. First of all, for this big problem that I'm talking about with climate change and addressing it, because we have a holistic way of thinking of things. There was a fellow at Berkeley, and I wish I could remember his name, who devised a name for a particular type of problem. Oh, wicked problems. Okay, wicked problems are problems that don't lend themselves well to solution with linear European-style thinking, okay? They're a kind of problem. A wicked problem is one that the more you learn about, every time you learn something new about the problem, you discover that the problem has modified itself just by your additional knowledge. It turns out that holistic thinking can really help us solve problems like those. Just, thinking out of the box is another way. You hear that as the other term for it. I think folks from underrepresented backgrounds have historically, for some of for cultural reasons, have acquired a better ability to do that. So I think for students who are thinking that, well, they don't have what it takes to do it in these fields, I think that particular background actually gives you a leg up on people who've been taught how to reason and how to solve problems in a purely sort of axiom proof style method that's been more common in our schools, I think. So I think Native kids, and I think that others from other underrepresented backgrounds may actually be uniquely qualified to do that. I have been to lots of ACES meetings, I've been to lots of SOCNAS meetings, and I would advise students to go around and actually talk to the scientists there, and you're going to discover that these folks aren't going to take second place to anybody. And that's folks just with backgrounds like you. Many of you were raised on reservations.